very good day to all of you. My name is Ishan Sharda and I'm a third year CS student at Manipal University, Jaipur. And as a part of my program elective, Cloud Infrastructure, today I'm going to be demonstrating how to host a static website using AWS S3. So a static website is essentially static in the sense that it does not have server-side rendering as of now and maybe not even some database connectivity as of yet. S3 stands for Simple Secure Storage. It's a cloud service provided by AWS for object storage. It's a highly scalable service and extremely cost effective at the same time. You can rapidly upload and retrieve any amounts of data from the web. So in the free tier of S3, we have 20,000 GET requests, a 5 GB storage limit for up to 12 months, after which will be charged, and up to 2,000 post, list, and copy requests. So the website we're going to be hosting looks like this. It's a simple car website where you can view details of different cars along with their pictures. The file structure of our website is going to be looking like this. Here we have a HTML file, a CSS file, and our images. So to host this website, we go to the AWS console and select the S3 service. Firstly, create a bucket. All bucket names globally have to be unique, so make sure yours is unique. I've named my bucket like this, my car bucket 14, and let just all the other settings be default as of now. Create this bucket. There we go, our bucket has been created. Now upload all the files of your website to this bucket. Upload. Now all the files have been uploaded to the bucket. So if you view our index object, this is going to be the URL of our website. If I open it, I see our access is denied. So why does this occur? Firstly, let me just save this URL in another tab. So before we host a static website using S3, we have to make sure of three things. Firstly, we have to enable static hosting on our bucket. Secondly, we have to make our S3 bucket public. Thirdly, we have to make all the objects of our S3 bucket public as well. So first enable our static hosting option on the bucket. So if we go to the bucket in properties, we scroll to the bottom, you see a static website hosting option. So just enable that and mention your index file in it. If there are any error files, you can put them here as well. Then save these changes. There we go, static website hosting has been enabled. Do we see our website live? No, so we have to make sure of the other two things as well. So we go to our bucket again, then in permissions, we see that public access has been blocked to our website, so an external viewer cannot view it. So we just change that by removing the block option on the public access and save these changes. I'll just confirm this. There we go, public access has been enabled. Let's see if our site is live now. No, so we have to ensure the third thing as well, that is all the objects are public as well. So for that, we go into permissions, and in object ownership, we enable ACLs, an access control list. Via the access control list, we can make our objects public. There we go, ACLs has been enabled on our buckets objects. Now if we go to our objects, click on all of them, and in actions you can see that you can make them public using an access control list. So I'll just make them public. There we go, all our objects are public now. So if I reload this, I see a website hosted on AWS S3. It just works fine. And that is how you host a static website on AWS S3. Thank you so much.